Hey, welcome to the weekend video, a late weekend video for billweb.org. I'm Nick Lynn. It's the 14th of September, and here's your weekend market update. Right, we'll get straight into it. We're going to talk about gold. You might remember last week that we spotted this five-wave up structure. You can see it labeled there, and an A, B. We're expecting an A, B, C decline. We've got our last week we had the start of the C decline. We got the end of it. I think the market has probably turned. Looking at that nice sharp reversal at the bottom there, just above where I have labeled C. It looks like that you should be expecting gold to rally probably for the next couple of months now. It mightn't be a bad time to get in. For subscribers, we'll tell you the best time, based on the patterns that we see developing. Right, we'll move on to US 500. This is SP 500. What we were talking about again last week was the spectacular kind of dive that we've seen in the last few weeks. This volatility uptick. Was this the start of the new bear market? I'm maintaining that it is. Time will tell, obviously, but what we've seen develop over the last few weeks is obviously a big snapback rally, a reactionary rally from the big plunge down into the 26th, 27th of August there. Since then, a nice sharp reversal. It looks to me that you could be seeing some sort of an expanded kind of flat correction here. Obviously, we have our wave 1 label off screen there. What will negate this count will be a reversal back up to touch the price territory of wave 1. We'll see how that develops. I think there's an argument to be made that this correction is finished. We almost touched this parallel trend line here that we had up around 1990 there. We had a nice sharp reversal off that, and it could be counted as a correction. It looks correctionary, it really does. We'll see if what will negate that and what will probably portend for higher prices will be a break of that previous high there, below where I have marked wave 4. Let's see. I'll keep subscribers up to date on what I think is developing there and what might be the best opportunities. Let's move on to, this is dollar yen. This has kind of confounded me over the last couple of weeks, but what may be developing is a contracting triangle in wave 4. Either we've got the high of the correction and we're now turning down in a wave 1-2, or this correction from the wave 3 low, which I've marked as contracting triangle, as an A, B, C up, D, ongoing D down, and an E reversal upwards, which should be contained within those trend lines. If we see that, either way, there's a very, very decent trading opportunity emerging here, which I thought I was trying to catch before, which got stopped out. Up here at what I'm now calling the A wave high, I was labeling that the wave 4 high, and I was trading that as a 1-2 down into what seems to be unfolding as a 5-wave A, B, C, D, E, and obviously it got caught out. Good while it lasted, eh? But anyway, we move on. What unfolds here over the next week will be an interesting opportunity for anyone who wishes to take it, and obviously subscribers, I'll let you know first. let's get on to crude. Now, last week I mentioned to you that I thought ongoing, the volatility within the oil market might create a nice buying and selling opportunity if it plays out. The wave pattern seems to be kind of pretty in play, and it looks to me that we'll get a push higher this week. It looks like from the lows we've got a clear 5-wave structure, and then we've got what could be again another contracting triangle, or just an or just a flat correction with a rally off the end. But if we see a 5-wave rally and a 3-wave decline, it could be definitely worth looking at a buy here, because there's a bit to go in this rally. If it's an overall ABC, you should be getting, we got a $10 move there. We got a 26% move there. We'll probably get that again. Anyway, keep your eye on that one. And obviously, again, for subscribers, you'll get my best guess on when to get in. Again, euro dollar, another market that's kind of confounded me, but I think it's kind of clearing up now. A lot of crossover, a lot of obviously within corrections, there's movement, and there's price movement that will stop you out, no matter what you do. Unless you're going to be utterly and completely wild with your money, and you have endless reserves to keep topping up your trading account. Tight stops is a good idea, but in a ranging kind of correctionary move, it's just hard to get in at the right time. But I think there's definitely a decent opportunity, a decent argument to be made here that we've had a 5-wave down off this channel that we pointed to at the time. We got a 5-wave down from 117 high down to the 111 low here. I think we've had a 3-wave recovery. We could be seeing the 5 waves of wave C there, and again, an argument to be made that this is the top in here. Let's see, we'll be looking for an opportunity on this one this week. Subscribers, I'll let you know. There's definitely, I think, an opportunity to short euro dollar here. That's it for this week. Thanks for listening, and thanks for clicking subscribe for anybody who has. As ever, if you want to get on to bullwave.org, get your name on the list, and we'll keep you up to date with what we think is where the market, we think the market is giving us opportunities. If you watch the video, don't forget to subscribe. It helps us spread the word, spread our service. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next week. Bye-bye.